Have you ever thought of something else to do this summer? Hitting the beach is something fun. There is another way to make the most of these sunny days. Today, I've got something sizzling hot to share with you. I'm thrilled to share with you my latest Lowe's find. Alright everyone, this is it. This is the Charbroil and its accessories right here. This grill is incredibly functional. It has everything you need to make grilling a breeze. This is a 4-burner grill with a side burner, which is perfect for sauteing veggies or making sauces while your main dish grills. It also has plenty of storage space for all your grilling essentials. It comes with these grilling accessories right here that works great whether you're a seasoned grill master or a newbie. I also got this snow cover from Lowe's to protect the grill from dust, snow or rain. And here is an additional 8-piece toolkit I also got from Lowe's. Lowe's have fantastic find this summer, honestly. So if you're looking for something fun to do this summer, aside from going to the beach, why not fire up the grill? Head over to Lowe's and check out their grill. Trust me, it is summer investment you won't regret. Thank you everyone, and don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe for more videos. See you again next time. Bye.